2x6 here, just a piece of scrap board. We're going to try to make a little dog bank out of it. See how we work it out. Alright, I drew a little picture of a dog on there. I'm going to make some holes here, that way we've got something to hold the money on. But I'm going to drill this out first, and then I'm going to use my saber saw and cut it out, and then we'll sand it all off. And there we have one. I'll have another one here in one moment. Alright, there's the basic shape of the puppy. I'm going to turn around and draw a couple lines here and here, and then remove these holes. Well, I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, we got a little puppy shape. Alright, now we're going to sand this all off and try to make it look a little better. Make everything nice and smooth. Alright, everything's sanded off pretty good. Not too bad look. We're going to give this a coat of paint, but we're going to do something to the sides here. So we turn around and got this nice little piece of plexiglass. Even up the sides. Drill a hole down through it. So I have this piece. Now I'm going to cut off and I'm going to make two, except I'm going to leave the edges long so I can put a couple screws in each corner to secure the bank. So I'm going to cut them off now. I measured it out. I cut myself two pieces that would fit on there. Mark some holes. See right here, I'm going to drill them with 1/8 inch. Then I'm going to turn around and put one screw there and two screws on this side. That way it don't move. Then we'll cut ourselves a little slot for a bank. There we have that. Okay, I'm going to get some screws and mount that down, and we'll clean everything up and cut that slot. Okay, now as you put the plexiglass on, line everything up, and you want to pre-drill with whatever screws you have so you don't split the wood. And of course I'll take this all apart again, the paint. And there we have it. Oh, we forgot something. Looks like a dog, but I think I need an ear right here. Let's see what we can make up here with this chunk of wood I have. Alright, I cut that into a little skinny piece. And I'm just going to cut two pieces that look just like that. How about a little ear like that? I think that'll look good. We'll just glue that on. Then we'll cut the slot here and give it a coat of paint. Well, and there you have it. A little white paint. I have one I built earlier. It's already got enough money in it. And there we have. Made out of a 2x6 little puppy bank. Well, thanks for joining me at Simple Workshop. Remember, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and ring the bell. And I'll see you next time.